Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you nice sound. In this video today I'm going to show you how I made these. These are my fabric swatches. I did buy a whole bunch of Kona Cotton solids charm packs, and I knew that I wouldn't need the entire charms. So I cut up little strips and I made these little fabric swatches out of them. And how I did this, I'm going to show you in this video today. The measurements for my cards are 2 inches by 1.5 inches, but those are because I have these boxes. They're used for dia frames. I have no idea what they're called in English. I just assume they're called the same. If they're called differently, I'm going to link this. I'm going to put this here somewhere. Anyway, these contain photographs usually. So they're perfect for this storing method. And I use them. So if you want to follow me along, have fun with this video. Okay, so I do have my cutting mat and my rotary cutter ready. This is a blade dedicated just for paper. Important, because you don't want to dull your blade. If you're feeling in a spending mood, you can just buy a second rotary cutter you use for paper. Then there's no confusion. I just have one blade that I switch whenever I use paper. Okay, so what you need is the rotary cutter, you need your fabric, you need a glue stick. Any old glue stick will do. This is just the one that was cheapest for me. And then the fabric and your names, and cardstock that's already cut. My cardstock has one rough side and one shiny one, a bit shiny. I use the rough side because the glue sticks better. And then I put some glue on the back side. Not a lot, but enough. And then just a piece of fabric. This is 2.5 by 1.5 inch, and the fabric is 1.5 by 1.5. So in the end it looks a bit like those Pantone color thingies. I really like the look of those. And then you put some glue on the top edge of this. And put it on here, overlapping the fabric just a little bit. This protects the edge. And then put it like this. Apply some pressure to all surfaces. And then cut along the edge of the cardboard. You do not need a ruler for this, because the cardboard has enough thickness. And if there's something, some overlay on the side, just cut along there as well, like so. And thus, I am ready. This is cute, isn't it? And I'm going to make a few more, or I don't know, 300 more. Watch me. Okay, again, cardboard, some glue, not a lot. Just cover the entire surface. Pick one of your fabric pieces. Gently press. And then just some glue on the tippy top up here. Put it on here. And then press from the back side and cut the remaining paper. And then you're done. Like this. Isn't this cute? This makes me a lot more happy than it should. Oh, I think that's really cute. I'm going to make a few more of these, and I hope you like them. So, I hope you enjoyed watching me make these. If you did, please leave a like down there, comment this video. You could also follow me and like me on Instagram. If you recreate these in any way, shape or form, feel free to tag me on Instagram. Anyway, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, maybe I will see you next time, or maybe you'll see me because I don't see anyone. There's no one here, it's just my camera. Okay, bye bye. Hello, welcome back to my channel. did did